Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade nachos the easiest and fastest way. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, I'm going to use the Doritos nachos, the sweet and chili pepper flavor, or you can use any flavor that you want. And I'm going to use the cheese and red bell pepper salsa sauce, or you can use another sauce that you prefer. Then I have some tiny tomatoes, or you can use the large tomatoes. And I'm also going to need a quarter piece of cucumber. And lastly, I'm going to use Emmental cheese, or you can use any cheese that you prefer. So the first step, make sure you've washed your vegetables. Then I'm going to cut a quarter piece of cucumber, and I'm going to cut the cucumber into small tiny pieces. Then I'm also going to cut the tomatoes into small cubes. I prefer using these sweet tomatoes, or you can use the large tomatoes, that's up to you. I'm done cutting my cucumber and the tomatoes, and it's high time to make our nachos. In a large oven dish, you're going to add the nachos, then afterwards add the sliced cucumber and the sliced tomatoes and spread them around the oven dish. Then afterwards, I'm going to add the sauce. I've used the cheese and the red bell pepper sauce, or you can use any sauce that you prefer. I've purchased it at supermarkets. Then add the sauce on top of the nachos, as you can see in the video. Lastly, I'm going to add the cheese. I've used the Emmental cheese, or you can use any cheese that you prefer. I had half a packet left, so I will use that first and I will add extra cheese on top. And my cheese nachos are ready, as you can see in the video, and it's high time to bake them in the oven. Place the nachos in a preheated oven and bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes till the cheese melts. Once your cheese has melted like this, then your nachos are ready. Remove them from the oven and serve when it's hot. Like, these nachos are so tasty. Serve your nachos with a cold soda or mojito and enjoy your nachos. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.